Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. A venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages, one of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. And so, the national anthems. That was impressive. Match that. To what we've been told, this is how it looks. It's 4-3-3.
Yes, and the importance of this formation is not to allow the midfield three and the attacking three to become too detached from one another. If that happens, then pressure can quickly be applied via the counter-attack, and you can be exposed defensively. So compactness can't be compromised, and you need talkers in this team. You need leaders and people that are willing to organise things very quickly.
We're underway. Alvarez. Lozano chasing after it. Johnson plays it forward. Good work on the right flank here. Flashes it across. Reed! It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Spread out to the left. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there.
Too much elaboration and not enough penetration. No damage likely.
Big chance! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Russell. Looking for the runner. Great ball if he can get there. Has a go! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Araujo. To Herrera. Well, the counter could be on here. Threads one in. Lozano delivers across. Real chance! Nicholson. Jamaica playing here with a nice expansive style.
Yeah, with their fullbacks making up the numbers in attack too, just need to make sure the back line doesn't become too stretched and faced with too much ground to cover.
Herrera! Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different. But not quite good enough. And it's been taken short. Alvarez. Herrera. Herrera! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Herrera is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Now there's a fine ball. And here's Roll! Decent enough try. And it's played forward. Jamaica give it back and they can go again. Can he get onto this? Oh, he's there to get rid. Played forward. Oh, that's a key interception. Turns back here, probably the best option. Reed. Morrison. And they'll start all over again with the goalkeeper. Gently done. Herrera. Played out to the right. Lozano.
There's much frustration as to the lack of a touch to finish that off.
Gets good distance on it. Reed. Lobbed in behind. Plenty of endeavour from either side, but not much of it in the vicinity of either goal.
Yeah, the tempo is strong and the game has flair and lots of potential for me.
Lozano. Alvarez. Back into the middle. Pinnock is there and he can get that clear. They've played it short. Decent hit! Alvarez.
Look, movement creates more options, and that was really sharply done.
And the shot! Keeper pulls off a fine save.
Raúl Jiménez sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
going to be first to this. No way through, so back it comes. And here's Herrera. Oh, shooting chance! It's there! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Mexico keep themselves into the lead.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Now it's Jimenez. Out to the right. Lozano. And now the breakaway. Bailey. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. And the score is 1-0. Pass needed to be better. Now it's Lozano. Good spot, he's seen them. Goes for the header! Now that was a full-blooded header.
Well, he can't be accused of not being brave, Peter, and his boss will give him the thumbs up, I'm sure.
Nicholson has given away a free kick. Passing is crisp and sharp. Another pass just keeps it ticking over. Plays it from a quarterback position. Fiddles it through. That's a super give and go. Oh, that's nice. Pings it across. It's one! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. And the shot! He's missed, but not by that far. And it's been taken short. Stands up to it well and emerges with the ball. And now a sudden chance to counter. That's been cut out, well played. Sends it forward. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Alvarez. And that's aimed into the middle.
Well, from experience, I can tell you he'll get a lot of stick for getting that one wrong.
Can he put it away? It's in! And this is getting better and better. Oh, whose goal is that? Big deflection. That's one for the dubious goals panel. Met recollection of the first half? Or to review the first half?
Mexico just didn't want the half-time whistle to be blown. Convincing and controlled.
Mexico go in at half-time on a comfortable 2-goal cushion. And the action is back on the way. Keeper's got good distance on that. Nicholson. Reed. Morrison. Johnson. Played into the middle. Goes in for the header! And it's in! The second half off to a spectacular start. Oh, lovely header, but really it was all about the delivery.
Yeah, he makes those runs with great stealth and a ghost-like arrival to get his head to the ball.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, I think they probably needed an early goal in this half just to give them the confidence and belief to push on and look for an equaliser.
Strong running down that left flank. Nice bit of skill, and he's away. Johnson producing a good steal there, showing a good level of alertness. Opts for safety. Moved on forwards. No, the ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. And the keeper's got it again. Alvarez. That's a throw. Now it's Bailey. Bailey proving impossible to wrestle off the ball. That'll be a throw-in. Just eases him off the ball. Well, he is the type of character who rises to this sort of challenge, and he will be back for more. Alvarez. Lozano. And it's Herrera. Alvarez, and they've switched it over to the other side. And here's Raul. Can he finish? Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Muscular approach does pay off here. So 2-1 now, and things have got a whole lot more enthralling here.
Yeah, this is a real psychological test now that will tell us whether one side buckles and the other kicks on.
Ball's out once more. Forwards and with intent. doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Herrera, that's played into space. Goes direct to the front line. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. And now they can clear their lines. Nicholson is herring after that one. Oh, that's an inviting ball. Knocks it away. Oh, it's played into the area. That's an excellent interception. It's come through and he's had a quick look inside. They've played it short. That's good play. Raul plays it up to meet it! Good delivery, but no joy.
I thought the wing work was A1. The defending and finishing was anything but.
Moved forward and quickly so. Araujo. To Alvarez. Herrera. Lozano. Just about up to 75 minutes. Out towards the flank. Cross to the back post. That's surely a foul, free kick. Shifted upfield and through to the goalkeeper. Now it's Jimenez.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Gently done. And here's Raul. That's a nicely weighted pass. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Played out to the right. It's gone out for a throw-in. Time for a change in personnel.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
And here's Raul. That's been intercepted. He's a sharp little ball here. And it's Herrera. Bailey. Nicholson. Raul. And it's lofted through here. too much more here than seeing out time, and time is very nearly seen out. Moved on forwards. And it's Herrera.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Oh, he's in! Morrison.
Mexico certainly don't need to overcommit now. Their priority lies further back.
And it's played forward. Nicholson is onto it in a flash. Johnson. And time is up.